In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get soul stones in Darkstar Hero. Let's get started. If you have ever tried to enter a stage boss encounter and received a message saying that you don't have the required entry ticket, then the item you are missing is most likely a soul stone. Soul stones are special items that act as the entry tickets for boss encounters. For example, one of the most common versions is the normal soul stone. To obtain soul stones, you'll need to farm specific stages because they are rare drops from regular enemies and are tied to particular locations. For instance, if you are looking for a normal soul stone, some of the best places to farm are stage 1.8, giant file stays in Act 2.4. While soul stones are occasionally dropped from other stages, these locations provide a much more reliable chance. You can also check the game's drop tables or map notes to see which stages drop the specific soul stone difficulty that you need. If you don't want to spend time farming, there's another option. Since soul stones are tradable items, you can open the Steam community market and search for the soul stone you need, whether it's normal, nightmare, torment, or hell difficulty. If you have collected unwanted items in the game, you can sell them on the market and use the Steam wallet balance to purchase soul stones without spending additional real money. Once you have a soul stone, head back into the game and look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a red portal button that allows you to summon the boss encounter. Click on it and use your soul stone, and the game will consume one soul stone to open the boss fight. After that, you are ready to take on the challenge and earn the rewards. And that's everything you need to know about getting and using soul stones in Darkstar Hero. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.